What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sim Simpkins. So Wake Up Now, financial wellness company that helps you manage money, save money, and make money. Today we're gonna be talking about scam. The big word, scam. Listen. After today, I'm not even gonna say it no more because I know the company I'm working for is not one. So you guys don't have to worry about. I don't have to worry about. You know why? Because they have virus protection. What company that's a scam has a virus protection? Thank you. So another thing, you could sign up today. I wouldn't prefer you sign up for as a preferred customer. I want you to make money and actually know the product, because if you don't try, how can you know what a Mercedes, this is my example I always use. How can you know how Mercedes drive if you have never driven in one? Like, how can you know a product if you never used it? So everybody, I don't encourage you to sign up for free. You always want to definitely throw the $100 up. It's an investment to yourself. You put the $100 and $100 every single month. If you get 3 people, your $100, the company pays you for getting 3 people in. You help those 3 people get 3 people, you get $600 a month. $600 a month is that. I know everybody can use $600. No, I don't care what anybody says. You could use an extra $600 a month by doing one video or doing one post every day for a minute and get somebody to sign up. So listen, it's a lifestyle change. You already know me, Sim Simpkins. Wake Up Now, Founder 3. Hit me up on Facebook. Hit me up on Instagram. My Facebook is Sim Simpkins. My Instagram is all day Sim Simpkins, all day with a Y though. I gotta get that changed out. Sim Simpkins, all day Simpkins. And let's wake them up, people.